Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's Sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, it's Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Virgo, what are the messages for you? What's going on? What are the messages for you? Under the deck, Five of Cups. Virgo, you are separated with your person or you want to separate with your person. Definitely there is separation between you and your person, and you are also feeling sad for the separation. Yeah, you decided to move on from your person. Six of Swords with Five of Cups. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Eight of Cups, the Tower and Queen of Wands. So you decided to walk away from this person. You want to leave behind everything or everyone which doesn't serve you anymore. Because for some it could be one-side relationship. Maybe you are giving so much to this connection, but your person only taking, not giving in return anything. Maybe there is on and off connection. For some it could be third-party situation. The reason could be anything, but you decided to walk away from this connection no matter what. And it is also very difficult for you, for some, because the Tower is here. But don't worry, you will overcome this energy, because the Tower, after Queen of Wands, you will stand by your power. You will overcome this Tower moment, and in near future you will be stand by your power and you will taking your control back again. Queen of Wands energy. In recent past you already taking your power back, but if not, in near future you will. And then present, Ten of Wands, the Hangman and Three of Cups. Definitely for some third party situation involved in this connection, and you only the person always invested, and it is for you like hard work for you, because only one person investing in this connection, but other person only taking, not investing anything. It is very hard for anyone. That's why you are feeling very hard for you to maintain this relationship or to be in this relationship. And the Hangman, yeah, you got stuck on, maybe you got stuck on them, but you are spiritually awakening. But for some, you stand by your power. There is some celebration coming. Maybe in your working area you're more concentrating on your career. In these recent times you decided to concentrate on your career, Virgo. Future, Ace of Wands, High Priestess, Chariot. So Ace of Wands, new beginnings. Maybe you started your life in new way. Maybe you started new business, whatever, and you are listening to your intuition. High Priestess, you are manifesting something new in your life. And Chariot, yeah, you decided to move on from this person and you started, because the Chariot is moving. Even though it is very slow, even though it is very difficult for you, still you are doing, still you are trying to do it, because it is very difficult for you to let go of this person, but you are trying this and you are doing this. If not, you will do this, because the Chariot, there is, I think, you want your happiness and you want the best. That's why you decided to leave this person behind, and then you started something new in your life. Maybe for some, the new love is also coming in your way. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer. So let's see your person current feelings and actions, then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So let's say your person feelings. The Tower, your person also undergoing some Tower moment. So let's see their feelings towards you, Virgo. Your person feelings towards you. Eight of Cups. Yeah, separation. They're thinking that you walked away. Yeah. For some, it could be vice versa. Depends on your situation. So, Six of Swords, the Bowl, and Seven of Wands. I think they want reconciliation and they won't give up on you. They will fight for you and they are thinking about that because Seven of Wands with old card. And for some, it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Six of Swords. Yeah, they want to fix the things between both of you. They're coming to fix the things between both of you. For some, your person thinking to fix the things between both of you. And yeah, they're thinking about, they want fight for your attention, fight for your relationship. Yeah, they're thinking about to fight for your relationship. So let's see their actions, then we will get more clarity. What is they gonna be, which actions they have. Yeah, Knight of Swords. Their actions towards you, Virgo. Your person actions. Chariot. Empress. Temperance. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. Yeah, communication is coming. Definitely they are coming back to communicate with you. They're rushing to communicate with you. They want to fix the things between both of you. And the Chariot. But yeah, they're coming and they're planning, but slow moving energy, but communication is coming. And the Empress. I think for one woman in this connection could be pregnant also, maybe mother of kids. One person in this connection could be children's also involved in this connection. Yeah, they're planning, they're taking their time to come towards you, but there is some moment definitely they will make a move towards you. They will make action very soon. And Temperance, they want to restore the balance in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Cancer. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, Ten of Cups, Ten of Wands, and Five of Cups. Yeah, they are also feeling sad for the separation. And Ten of Wands, maybe your person busy with their work, maybe they have a lot of works to do, a lot of things going in your person's life right now, but they're feeling you, they're missing you so much. That's why they're planning to come back. I think you both are feeling this relation is hard work for both of you. Communication. Yeah. Five of Cups. You are also feeling sad. For some, your new love is also coming towards you. Very few. For some, your person coming back. Again, they realize you both Ace of Cups with Eight of Wands. You also love your person, but you are not expressing. Definitely, there is communication is going to be happen between both of you. Lots of communication, back and forth communication in near future. There will be some moment between both of you. Yeah. Even though it is started slowly, but eventually you both will communicate back and forthly. Virgo. Yeah, right now there is separation, cold shouldering. I think one person maybe treated the other person as an option. That could be the issue for some. Yeah, no contact situation. One person is healing from this hurt in this connection. Yeah, there is there is reconciliation is coming, working together, but it will take some time because one person is healing in no contact situation. So let's see your overall energy, but communication is coming, they will make action very soon, Virgo. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Virgo. Seven of Wands, they won't give up on you. Eight of Pentacles, maybe you are concentrating on your career, creating more money. You stand by your power, you are very grounded. Things are turning out into your favor in this week especially. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Virgo. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles, they are very serious about this time. They're coming back. Right now your person is healing. Maybe they're not talking to you but thinking about you a lot. Yeah, things are turning out this connection favor. And your person is also very powerful and attractive person. And they're very passionate about you. So let's see some messages from your person and from channel. I will never forget you. I fantasize about you. Mask. One person in this connection wearing mask. Text is coming. Yeah, I already told you. And first, and one more. This person is sneaky. So maybe your person in past playing games with you for some third party situation also involved. Yeah, this person is sneaky. If your person is sneaky, for some, not all, very few. So mask, I will never forget you. Maybe mask with this person is sneaky. Be careful. If your person really putting you in third party situation, then don't allow them for reconciliation. So text is coming, definitely coming. They're coming back for sure. They will make action very soon. Then take these messages according to your situation. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. I will never forget you. Our fancies about you. Text is coming. Mask. This person is sneaky. These are the messages. Your dream need a practical plan. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, so you need a practical plan. So this is the message from Moon Oracle deck. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.